In this video, I'll be showing you some new features in the forthcoming new version of e2spreadsheet. So let's launch the application and start off by selecting some cells. Now let's go up to Calculate, Random Numbers, to put some random numbers into that selection. I reselect the numbers plus a space at the bottom and roll the mouse cursor over the summation key. Now you notice when I press down Shift, summation changes to average. So I've just done an average there, and there's the formula of what's in that cell. Average is a new function in the language of this spreadsheet application, and there are a few new functions which I'll be blogging about when the time comes. Now, let's go to Format and play around with the way the number is displayed. We can display it as a percentage, a currency, or a fixed number. Now we always could do that in this application, but now we have other options as well. So let's now reselect the random numbers and create a frequency bar graph. Now previously, a limitation of E2spreadsheet was that you weren't able to change the number of frequency bins in a frequency chart, and now you can. And that's good because you can get much more meaningful frequency information. Finally, I want to show you the most powerful new feature, and that's to do with totals or OLAP type of data. Now I'm going to load something that I prepared earlier. Here it is. And you see here I have data in various fields, various enumerations or numeric data. Now I'm going to open up Totals palette again and select a couple of these columns, the first two columns, and I'm going to say that those are my vertical information in my OLAP table. The second two columns are going to be my horizontal information, and finally the numeric data, well, that's going to be the measure that's displayed inside the table. So let's click now Show Totals, and here is our totals table. Now you can see here that we have the color and the country information on the axis at the side of the table. On the top of the table we have gender and size, and inside the table we have the totals of the measure. Now we can play around with the appearance of this table by dragging and dropping the various panels at the side of the screen. Here we are. You see here we've moved the country to the top axis. We can also switch on and off the various dimensions or measures, and that changes what's displayed in the table. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoy the next version of E2spreadsheet. Goodbye.